a 48-inch pre-lit wreath that we plan to use forever. Let's unbox this. And it's already looking so good. And it comes with some assembly instructions. I basically just have to wing nut the two sections together and then move around the branches till it looks more real. So here it is still in two halves. I'm about to hook these together, but before I do, look at this super sturdy metal that holds it together. And here are the wing nuts on the end. And what I love about this is it means that at the end of the season, I can undo it again, so I don't have to have a full 48-inch wreath in storage. And here's the plug in the end. And what's cool about this is each section actually has a separate plug. And let's just hook these together. And I am just hand tightening them. I don't think I'm gonna need to tighten them more than that. And I don't really want to, as I want this to be something that's easy to put together and take apart. It's so big. It is already gorgeous. I am in love with this. I am really impressed with the quality, and I can see that even now it already looks really good, but it'll look even better once I floof it up. So let me do that real quick. That's already looking way better. It's already looking so much better. And the cords are short, so you will need an extension cord, or probably will need an extension cord. I cannot wait to put this up. It looks so good already, and I know it'll look even better on our house instead of on our dining table. Definitely recommend it.